parked like a BMW douchebag owner in front of Vancouver car wraps. This is Vancity Audi and my name is Adam. We are here to do something that I never normally do with my cars, and that is a cosmetic modification. I've partnered with chopmyrate.ca this year, and we wanted to put something on the car that represented the brand and made it look freaking badass. I know it's gonna be subjective, some of you might hate it, but I think it's gonna look awesome. So what we're gonna do in this video is a process through the days of what it gets to from, as you see it right now, versus when it's fully wrapped. We're gonna do a full wrap on the entire car. I've never owned a vehicle before with a full wrap on it. So I'm very excited to see the before and after, to see how well it protects the vehicle, and to represent the brand that sponsored me for this 2023 drag racing season, chopmyrate.ca. Let's go in and take a look. Hey, what's happening?
Hi, welcome to Vancouver Car Wraps.
Thank you very much. Let's check it out. Wow. Here we go, guys. Dropping my baby off. Don't trust many people with my car, so hopefully they do me good. Well, Daryl, I don't just leave my car to anybody. Thank you so much for doing this for me, and I really look forward to coming back and see the progression of the wrap. Here is the key. Thank you, sir, and I can't wait to see it.
You're in good hands.
Thank you, sir.
See ya.
Chop My Rate is Western Canada's #1 choice for acquiring a lower interest rate while getting into a newer vehicle at the very same time. Chop My Rate works with every major bank and lender, so they can accommodate every credit situation. Whether you have good credit, bad credit, or no credit at all, Chop My Rate will find you the absolute lowest interest rate for your vehicle loan. Head on over to www.chopmyrate.ca/Vancity Audi for your opportunity to start rebuilding your credit by getting into a new vehicle loan at a lower interest rate. So sadly, I became very ill the very next day, and I wasn't able to get back to Vancouver Car Wraps to film the progression the car made. I really wanted to show you guys the before and then the transition through to the after. But what I'm showing you guys here are the shots that I took when I picked up the vehicle. And as we rolled out the door, I then headed out to the back roads of Mexico so I could show you guys just how badass this car looks in action.
And here we have it, guys, all finished and completed What do you guys think? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let me know in the comments below. I'm gonna go over what we did and how we came to the decision. We obviously wanted to match the colors of Chop My Rate, which is kind of like a goldish yellow you can see here along the side of the car. We matched that on the fronts, on the sides. We also put in a little black to match what we already had. This is a black optics RS3, so we wanted that. And then because it is an Audi, I had to throw in a little Nardo gray. That's all over. So we have the 4 different colors for the color scheme. Throughout the side of the car, we wanted to make it look like it had driven through paint. So it's kind of splattered along the side of the car. I really dig it. Again, what do you guys think? Do you love it? Do you hate it? I want to know. And of course, I've been working with Rider Performance for years now. He's been a staple of this channel, really made sure that this RS3 functions as best as it can. We have him along the side of the rocker panel. Now, we also have a number on the car, and for some of you guys that don't drag race, you might not know what this corresponds to, and this is my drag racing number. So every time I go to the track, we have to have the number on the front and the rear windows to make sure that the towers and the spectators know what number your car is. Then when you get your time slip, you match it up, and that's what your car has done for a quarter-mile time. Besides that, I feel like it's a pretty complete look. We went kind of like a NASCAR look almost. For all those Americans watching, you definitely know what I'm talking about. You have the different colored rocker panel and then the rest of the car, all one seemingly, hopefully looks like it's kind of meshed well together from start to finish. Besides that, guys, I don't know what else to tell you. I dig the look. I hope you guys do too. This is the first major cosmetic mod that I've done to the vehicle to date. I've done little things, wheels, tires, stance, but nothing major. Overall, it is a drag car. So if you guys stay tuned to the videos, stay tuned to the channel. I did one more very special cosmetic mod to the car, and I will reveal that in the next video to come. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.